It is a point. Click to create the point. So wherever you want the point, wherever you necessary, simply click that point. Okay. So this is a point. Randomly we click that point wherever you want. That's it. And this is by using coordinate point by using coordinates. Point by using coordinates. Already we have seen in previous options what is the coordinate. Directly we give some values to x and y axis. Then the point will be generated directly with constraint manner. Okay, this is the point here. Based on our given dimensions, it is located. This is the point by using coordinates, and this is the equidistance point. Here it is important. Now take one line and take one circle and take one arc. Now choose equidistance point. To generate equidistance, we need one profile, whatever may be. So now I'm choosing here line. In line, how many equidistance are there? 6 points are there. 6 points. I require more points, so I go for 20. See, 20 points. Mainly it is used to generate the planes. Okay, and it is useful in surface design. Now again choose equidistance point. Now I choose circle. See, along the circle it is generate 20 points. Now I don't want 20, I need only 10 points. Now again I'm choosing this arc. Here I need 30 points. So in this drop down box here it is reverse direction. Until now, whatever profile we have selected, it is completely in straight manner. If we choose this reverse direction, it consider opposite. Okay, so this is a reverse direction. Now I draw semicircle. Now I'm choosing these points. Now go for reverse direction. Okay. Now if I use spline, see, by giving the points near to near, I have drawn the circle with the help of these points. Okay, so we use spline at the same of points along with the profile. It is useful in surface mostly. In case if I give very less points, if I select only 3 points, that too in reverse direction, okay. If I select the spline, see how the curve will come. See, this is the use of equidistance point. With the help of equidistance point, the spline is generated same as semicircle. So now the semicircle is fulfilled, it becomes circle by using points, equidistance points and spline. Like we can use in different situations. Below point, coordination point, equidistance point and intersection point. Intersection is nothing but now here I want 1 point. So by using this option, maybe it is comes exactly or not, we can't define that, but by using this intersection point, definitely it will come where I want, at exact point. Okay, see here it is generated. Intersection point, this and line, and this point, here it is generated. Okay, like intersection point and projection point. If I draw a line, here we don't have points. See, every sketch it has starting and ending point except circle. Of course circle also has center point. So now we want to project that, means it expose that point, so there we use projection point. So here in this line I'm selected here. Now it is the point is, the end point is projected. Let's see here. So here also point is projected. So it is useful in drawing to avoid open loops. Okay, these are the points done. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.